Hi everyone, welcome to Temple's official YouTube channel. I'm Julian, one of the new student vloggers for this year. I'm a sophomore advertising major, and for my first video, I will be talking about the features Temple Towers has to offer along with a little room tour since that's where I'll be living this year. So to start in my suite, there's a line there you can hang stuff with the shelf on top. There's a full kitchen, and then I didn't show this, but to the right there's a bedroom and a bathroom. Then here's the living room. And then over here, there's a lot of space where you can do whatever you want with it. That door leads to outside. Here's another room. The second full bathroom. And then now we're about to enter my room. Now onto my room. The two doors you're gonna see later on in this room. One of them's a half bathroom, the other's a walk-in closet. And I love both of those because the half bathroom, I usually won't have to wait if I need to use the bathroom. And then the walk-in closet just gives a lot of space to hang stuff, a lot of space for storage and for really anything. But you can see in the room, there was my bed. Here's my desk. And then to the right is my roommate's bed and her desk. The brown dressers came with Temple Towers while the rest we brought ourselves. And this is the view we get from our room. So on each floor there's study lounges that come with a table, chairs, a whiteboard, a garbage can, and a sofa. Next up is the laundry room. There's 2 washing machines, 2 drying machines, a table to fold your clothes, and there's a sink for anything you might need it for. After that is the trash room where it just has trash cans, recycling cans. Don't forget to recycle. In the lobby area, there's 2 computers, a TV, water fountain, tables and chairs. There's vending machines and printers on the left side. And then there's doors outside. There's nothing really to do out there, but it's good to take in some sun. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions for me or for Temple in general, leave them in the comments down below. See you next time.